Hi folks, I'm really thrilled to announce the launch of our new iOS UI kits version 5. These are updated UI kits and they are a big change from what we had before. First of all, they look fantastic right out of the box and they make it really simple for you to make any UI changes. You can simply select the components you need and you can apply whatever styling you need and you can go live. We have a bunch of key components that make this UI kit up. So let me just talk about them one by one. So first we have our chat screen. So the chat screen displays all your recent conversations, including both one-on-one and group chat. And users can also delete individual conversations, and pressing a conversation will open up the actual chat message screen. In the messages screen, we have a number of elements. Let's start off with the message composer because that's where all the action is. The message composer allows the users to share photos, videos, attach files, create real-time polls, collaborate on documents. They can also send voice notes. They can also send emojis, stickers. We also have a number of built-in AI features to respond to messages or summarize conversations. Users can also react to messages in the messages area. They can start threads. And in group chats, they can also open up a one-on-one chat with a particular user. Additionally, there's also an info screen for both users and groups. And in group options, the options that are presented to the user will differ based on the privileges. So whether they are an admin or they're a moderator or they're just a member of that. The next screen that we have is the call screen. So this is perfect for dating sites, for workplace tools, as well as any other platform that requires call functionality. And the screen shows you a list of all the outgoing and incoming calls. Lastly, we have users and groups list. These are lists, and just like the rest of the UI kit, they're completely customizable. If you want to have a different set of users over here, you can filter it as per your need. And similarly, you can do that in groups as well. At the end of the day, these are UI kits, so they're super customizable. You can easily toggle features on and off and override entire views as per your need. I'm really excited about this launch, and I can't wait to see what you build with the new UI kits. Thank you.